Hello student, good morning. Welcome in third lecture of linear equation in one variable. Now today we have to start the second question of exercise number 2.2. The question is the perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. If its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth, what are the length and breadth of the pool? Perimeter is given of rectangular pool. We have to find out the length and breadth of that pool. First of all, we consider its breadth. Now, solution of this question. Let breadth of the pool, rectangular pool, breadth of pool be x meter. Okay, we consider that the breadth of that pool be x meter. After that, the equation for the length we can construct from given sentence. First of all, we note down that sentence. The length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So the length of that pool is L equals to 2 meter more means positive 2. 2 meter more means plus 2, more than twice its breadth. Now we have considered that breadth is x, twice means 2x. So the length of that pool will be 2x plus 2 meter. Now see the equation. Length of the pool is 2 meter more means plus 2, twice its breadth means 2x meter. After that, first sentence is the perimeter of that swimming pool is 154 meter. The perimeter of rectangular pool is equals to 154 meter, and we know that the formula of perimeter of rectangle 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So the perimeter of rectangular pool formula 2 multiplied by length plus breadth equals to 154 meter. Now put the values of length and breadth. 2 multiplied by length is 2x plus 2 plus breadth is x equals to 154. Make calculation in bracket. 2 multiplied by 2x plus x 3x plus 2 equals to 154. Multiply by 2 to the bracket. If you multiply by 2 to the bracket, 2 into 3x 6x plus 2 into 2 4 equals to 154. Okay, in left side we simplify the bracket. 2 into 3x 6x, 2 into 2 4. After that transfer this 4 to the right side. 6x equal to 154 minus 4. 6x equals to 154 minus 4 150. Now this 6 is in multiplication. Transfer it to the right side. It goes to division. X equals to 150 divided by 6. If we divide 150 by 6, then we get their division equals to 25. So here we get the value of x which is equal to 25. And we know that x means breadth of the pool. Therefore, the breadth of the pool of the pool is equals to, what is the equation for the length? 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. Now put the value of x. 2 multiplied by value of x is 25 plus 2. 2 into 25, 50. 50 plus 2, 52 meter. That is the length of that pool. From this we can say that final statement, length of the pool is 52 meter and breadth of the pool is 25 meter. Okay, very easy question. What you have to remember in this question? The perimeter of rectangular pool. What is the formula to find the perimeter? 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. And one sentence is given. Its length is 2 meter more. 2 meter more means positive 2. Twice its breadth. Twice its breadth means 2x. Okay. Now we take question number 3. Now question number 3 is, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. Isosceles triangle. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 integer 2 by 15 centimeter. We have to find what is the length of either remaining sides. Isosceles triangle means its two sides are equal. Okay. Now we start from first sentence. Solution. The base of isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The base of isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. From the sentences we make statement. We represent base by capital B, therefore B is equals to 4 by 3 centimeter. Second sentence is, the perimeter of the triangle is 4 integer 2 by 15. What is the length of either remaining equal sides? In this question we have to find out the length of either remaining equal side. We consider for the length of equal sides of isosceles triangle dx centimeter. We consider their length is equals to x centimeter. Now what is given? Perimeter is given. The perimeter of the triangle is equals to 4 integer 2 by 15. Now the perimeter of triangle is equals to 4 integer 2 by 15. That is equals to 4 integer 2 by 15. 15 for the 60, 60 plus 2, 62 by 15 centimeter. Okay. So perimeter of that isosceles triangle will be equals to 62 by 15 centimeter. What is the formula to find the perimeter of the triangle? Sum of 3 sides. Now two equal sides are x plus x, and base of that triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter plus 4 by 3 equals to 62 by 15. Okay, perimeter sum of 3 sides. Now make calculation. X plus x 2x plus 4 by 3 equals to 62 by 15. Transfer 4 by 3. 2x equals to 62 by 15. When we transfer 4 by 3 to the right, it will be minus 4 by minus, if we multiply by 15 to the second value, we get 20. So 2x equals to 62 minus 20, 42 divided by 15. Okay. Now 2x equals to, these both values are divisible by 3. 42 divided by 3, 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12, divided by 3 5 are 15. After that, transfer these two. This 2 is in multiplication. When we transfer it, it goes to division. So x equals to 14 divided by 5 into 2. Here we transfer 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 7 are 14. So x is equals to 7 divided by 5, and x means the length of remaining equal side. Therefore, the final statement of this question is, therefore the length of remaining equal sides be 7 by 5 centimeter. Okay, here we get the final answer. In this question, what you have to remember, what is meant by isosceles triangle? In isosceles triangle, the length of two sides will be equal. In this question, base is given and perimeter is given. From base and perimeter, we find out the length of equal sides. I hope you understand question number 2nd and 3rd. If you have any difficulty, then you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice time. Bye.